While many organizations use Prism Central for centralized email management, you can also configure alert emails directly in Prism Element. First, we'll show you a step-by-step guide for this process. Then we'll talk about the types of alerts you may receive from Prism Element. In Prism Element, click on the System Settings gear icon. Now on the left-hand side, scroll down and select Alert Email Configuration. Here you enter one or multiple email addresses. Type in the email and hit Enter on your keyboard and repeat with additional addresses if needed. To customize which alerts are sent, go to Custom Settings and select New Setting. Choose the options that work best for these addresses. You can also choose specific text that would be important to these recipients. Under Email Content, add words or phrases to both subject and body here. Once you are done configuring, hit Save. Prism Element can send several categories of email notifications depending on your configuration, severity-based alerts. You can configure Prism Element to send critical, warning, and info alerts as they happen in real time. Hardware and software health, notifications about specific node level or cluster level issues. Nutanix cluster check, NCC reports. Shows results and reports generated from running health checks on the cluster. Daily digest emails, a consolidated daily summary of alerts, which helps reduce email noise for non-critical events. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.